In line sa mga sunod-sunod na earthquakes lately, finally nag-prepare na rin kami ng aming mga go bags. Matagal na namin tong plano, long overdue na talaga. So one afternoon, nag-decide na kami na asikasuhin na to. And yung ibang kulang, binili ko na lang online. Kasi medyo nakakatakot na rin lumabas-labas ngayon. So meron kaming go bag para sa bahay and mini or compact version naman para sa car. Sa Decathlon naman kami bumili ng mga bags. Bumili naman ako online nitong mga clear bin organizers para mas madali mahanap lahat, lalo na pag emergency. Unahin natin itong go bag sa bahay. Yung mga nasa pockets and nakasabit sa bag for easy access siya. Itong mga helmets, whistle, portable tools, gloves, raincoat, mask, bottled water, nylon rope, and flashlight. Naglagay nga rin ako ng coin purse dito with onting cash and coins for emergency. Sa loob, meron akong first aid kit na may gauze pad, band-aid, betadine, alcohol, emergency blanket, elastic bandage, cotton buds, ice pack, lahat ng basics. Naglagay din ako ng medicines and vitamins kit, may ointments, white flour, efficacent oil, salon pass, at mga gamot na madalas namin gamitin. Meron din para kay Kairos, vitamins, medications, and KN95 mask. At alam mo yung tech kit, cable cords, power bank, adapter, rechargeable batteries. At syempre, naglagay din ako ng kaunting toys para kay Kairos. And ang pinaka-importante for me, snacks and food stash. High-protein snacks, biscuits, canned goods, rice, cup noodles, all with long expiration date. Next is personal hygiene kit, toothbrush, mouthwash, napkins, lotion, shampoo, conditioner, laundry detergent, body soap, toothpaste, and wipes. At syempre, ang ating toolkit, ropes, duct tape, flashlights, zip ties, gloves, batteries, lighter, igniter, scissors, pocket knife, candles, safety goggles, and garbage bags. Naglagay din ako ng milk ni Kairos, extra garment and pamalit ni Kairos, and diapers niya, of course. And last but not the least, important documents. Passports, insurance papers, baby book ni Kairos, birth certificates, ballpen, at iba pang important papers namin. Para naman sa go bag namin sa sasakyan, compact or mini version lang to ng aming go bag sa bahay. Lahat lang talaga ng essentials and possible naming gamitin sa sasakyan. Actually, marami pa kaming kulang at for sure, may mga mas okay pang alternatives out there. Pero ang importante, meron na kasi kahit simple o basic lang, basta ready ka, malaking bagay na yon. Tandaan, your preparedness is your chance for survival. Hindi mo kailangang perfect. Basta may plano, may laman ng bag at alam mo kung saan kukunin, that already makes a huge difference kapag dumating ang emergency. So if di ka pa nakakapag-prepare, maybe this is your sign to start now. Bye! See ya!